Every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. But today is actually an exception because I'm gonna try a recipe which will not be my first time trying it. And by far, I can say with confidence that this is one of the favorite things that I tried and learned from Laura. And I'm talking roasted garlic. My God. Mashed potatoes, the best mashed potatoes in the entire world are featuring this garlic, as well as one of the most amazing salads. I'm trying to remember the name. Grilled veggie pasta salad, like one of most amazing salads I've ever tried, also featured this garlic. My God. So I will leave the links if you're interested. I will leave the links to those recipes in the description box down below. But needless to say, I'm certain that if you haven't tried roasted garlic yet, might I add, you're seriously missing out. So if you're curious to see how to make it and even more ideas on how to use it or eat it, thank you for watching. We're gonna need 2 medium heads of garlic, some olive oil and salt. The first thing I did was turn on my oven to preheat to 200 degrees because this will be ready in no time at all. So what you want to do is take a head of garlic and you want to cut it horizontally in half. So that means like so. Once you cut that, place them, the bottom parts, on a piece of aluminum foil, drizzle with some olive oil, sprinkle some salt on top of that, and then just reunite with the top parts of the garlic, wrap tightly, and put it into the oven for 45 minutes. For like 10 minutes or so that I could touch it and handle it, which I believe I will be able to. Let's see. So a bonus tip of yet another way you can eat this garlic is just take a piece of bread. If you have some freshly baked one, oh my God, that will be like double trouble. I have just simple bread, but it will be awesome nonetheless. So once I open this up and pop the cloves out, which it will be so easy, they're just waiting to be eaten. I'm gonna literally spread it like butter on top of the bread, drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and that will be the best snack ever. Oh, some pepper. Pepper is swell as well. You have no idea, if you haven't tried roasted garlic, just how good it is. Oh my God. If this was freshly baked bread, this is incredibly tasty. And another bonus tip, if you will, when you're making roasted garlic for mashed potatoes, I mentioned like 100 million times already in this video, then you add additionally in between those two, parts of the garlic, when you slice it in half, you add some fresh rosemary. And it just infuses the garlic with this rosemary like flavor. Oh my God. This is disappearing very quickly. This is truly a recipe you have to try. You have to try and taste what roasted garlic is. Actually, whenever I make it, I make that mashed potatoes like with the roasted, not roasted, it's like roasted garlic. with the rosemary, and I add a little bit of pepper as well. I drizzle a little bit more of olive oil on top. It's like a little bit spiked up version, if you will, of this roasted garlic, but it's amazing like this, like simple. There's nothing simple about this. I mean, this is so fancy. You could get this in some winery easy as an appetizer next to wine. Oh my god, I'm so excited about something which is in front of me, as if I wouldn't. I don't know if you even understand what I want to say, but like, I have this feeling. I'm just so excited. This is an amazing, amazing thing. This is how Laura's looks like. This is mine. Not the first time again. Not cheating, just, you know, disclosing the information. If you want to see how Laura makes it, the link to her video is there, and the written recipe you will find in the description box down below, as always, in both American and the metric systems, just so that every single person on this planet Earth could try just how good this is. Wanna laugh? Just before I go, guess what else I have? I know you'll laugh, but I mean, I wouldn't be a Lithuanian without a cup of tea. It fits literally everything to us. Oh my god, with everything. I don't even know what I said. I just want to go back to eating my tasty, tasty sandwich. I have like 2 bites left, but I have 3 pieces of bread still left. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know, have you tried roasted garlic before? And if not, are you thinking of trying it? If my video doesn't convince you, I don't know, I failed it, man. It means thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!